Today, we introduce an efficient water treatment chemical, polyacrylamide PAM. What is polyacrylamide PAM? PAM is a water-soluble polymer that appears as a white powder or small granules. It is one of the most widely used polymers in water treatment. Based on its ionic properties, PAM is classified into non-ionic PAM, anionic PAM, cationic PAM, amphoteric PAM. How is polyacrylamide produced? Polyacrylamide PAM production is based on acrylamide aqueous solution as raw material. Under the action of initiator, polymerization reaction. After the reaction is completed, the generated polyacrylamide rubber block is cut, granulated, dried, and crushed. And finally, the polyacrylamide product is prepared. The core process is the polymerization reaction, and attention should be paid to mechanical temperature, thermal degradation, and cross-linking in the subsequent treatment process, so as to ensure the relative molecular weight and water solubility of polyacrylamide. Main application fields. Polyacrylamide PAM is a water-soluble polymer with excellent flocculation, widely used in water treatment, paper, food, construction, metallurgy, mineral processing, coal powder, oil field, aquatic processing, and fermentation industries, especially suitable for the treatment of high organic colloid content of wastewater, especially for the dewatering treatment of municipal sewage, municipal sludge, paper sludge, and other industrial sludge. PAM has shown remarkable. What kind of packaging do you have to meet different customer needs? PAM offers a variety of packaging specifications. 25 kilograms plastic woven bag suitable for small batch purchase, 1,000 kilograms ton bag suitable for industrial procurement. How to ship. Domestic customers can be quickly distributed through the logistics company, support vehicles, or partial load delivery. International customers support sea, air, rail transportation, can provide complete customs clearance documents required for export.